You're absolutely going to love this Newmark Homes right here in Towne Lake in Cypress, Texas. This property is the Heidelberg, 2,799 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and you're absolutely going to love it. You're going to have the upgrades that you would want: quartz countertops, upgraded features, 2-car garage, and a lot more. What's going on, folks? Marcus Rankin here, your Houston, Texas realtor. And if you want more information about this, link in the description below. And I hope you folks enjoy the tour. All right, family, I think you're absolutely going to love this property. As you can see from the front facing elevation, you have a lot of the natural windows. A lot of people love that front facing tall covered front porch. And let me know in the comments what you think about that. But as soon as we enter, what you're going to notice, as soon as we enter the front foyer area, you're going to immediately notice the high ceilings with the chandelier coming down that gives it that great nice touch. And then right here is going to be the office. So what you'll definitely notice is the recessed lighting with the T island. It looks like a waterfall, but you can utilize it as a desk. Of course, this is an upgrade, so keep that in mind, but it definitely gives that nice touch. You don't have to worry about putting an office in there if you do decide to. Of course, standard inventory home would come without that island, and you could always request it. So you have the engineered wood flooring throughout. Right there straight ahead would be where the 2-car garage would be. But of course, this is a model home, so it gives you a quick glimpse of what it would look like with all the other upgrades in here. And then right here will be your dining room. You have your lighting fixture right there. That's fantastic. And you can see above for the 2-story, or the 2nd story rather. And look how absolutely gorgeous that is. I mean, this is fantastic. This is situated on a 50-foot lot. And right here will be the kitchen. And what you'll see is your built-in stainless steel oven with your built-in microwave. And you have your little wet bar area over there. And here is the pantry. So you have plenty of storage in here. And you have your quartz countertops. And some of these other upgrades and features that you'll notice in here is the cabinet crowning on the top. You have your wooden range hood. They made sure they put it black so that way you can see it complements the light gray cabinetry. You have your pot filler right there, plus your built-in stovetop as well. And then you notice that the recessed lighting, it actually extends throughout the house. And what's great about that is if you've ever been in a house with recessed lighting, it illuminates the house so well, and you can just see absolutely everything, which is a fantastic upgrade. You got your electric fireplace right there. Again, with your high ceilings, you have the accent wall that gives it a nice touch. And then right here, you'll see this will be the half bath right here on the right. They put that little wallpaper or accent wall right there. It's definitely unique. You have the gold trims in there, gold tiles. But if you notice, it'll match the faucet knobs and the sink knobs right there. So you got your beautiful light fixture, glass light fixture. And then this will be your washer and dryer room, your utility room. Plenty of space in here. They put tile in here just in case any spillage from the washer and dryer takes place. And then you got a little storage closet right here. And if you notice, you have your baseboards going along there. It's a fantastic touch. And then now we're going to the primary bedroom. Again, the recessed lighting extends in here as well. Plenty of space for a full bedroom set. Your engineered wood continues in here as well. And then you have your windows that give it that natural lighting. I wanted to make sure I pan that back wall so you can see what kind of accent they put right there. Beautiful, beautiful property. I mean, again, this is the Heidelberg by Newmark Homes. If you know anything about Newmark Homes, they're a great, fantastic builder. And this is the primary bathroom. So you have your double sink, your soak-in tub, your standalone shower right here. And you have beautiful backsplash that complements the flooring. And can you imagine just sitting in this tub after a long day, pouring some Epsom salt in there, and you'll be relaxed more than ever.
Nice size walk-in closet with the carpet extended into this side. You have plenty of storage space in here for your wardrobe. And right here you have your nice double mirrors as well. You have your circular mirrors that give it that nice accent. You can pick these up at a Home Depot or online. It's just absolutely beautiful. So it just gives it that nice touch. It's very unique. I haven't seen that in many model homes. So it's great to just see that as well. Then you got your towel closet, linen closet. And then you can see, I mean, even with those windows right there, it just adds that great natural lighting in here. All right, so then what we'll do is we'll go see upstairs, so that way you can take a look upstairs. So again, we have the 1 bedroom downstairs, 2-car garage, and then now we have the carpet that's going to be extending upwards in here. And then on this one, you'll have your 3 bedrooms on the 2nd floor. And so what we'll do is we'll pan to the 2nd bedroom right here. Decent size. You have your upgraded ceiling fans. That's absolutely great. The baseboards do extend along here as well. And as you can see in here, you can have a nice size bedroom set, 2 nightstands, and a queen size bed with the dresser. It fits in here, doesn't give it that snug feel. You absolutely have enough room for things. This will be your closet, enough space in here for, you know, some clothes and things like that. Plus you have your dresser to put that in. So this would be perfect for, you know, a smaller kid or even an older kid, someone that's living in the house with you. They need that much space. Plus you have the bathroom that is attached to the hallway plus the bedroom. So this will be great for you. And then this will be the game room. So you can have this as a game room, comfort room. You have plenty of options. I mean, again, this is the Heidelberg, but there's different layouts and different build specs that you can utilize if you were to build the property. This is just a model home, which just gives you an idea of what it could look like. But I know a lot of people love and absolutely love a game room. There's no place like home. All right, so now we're gonna pan over here to the left, and that way you can see what's going on there. So you see you have your iron railings, which is great. Black iron railings. It definitely adds a nice touch to the house. This will be the 3rd bedroom. You have your recessed lighting, upgraded ceiling fans again. And as you can see right here, plenty of space for a bedroom set. And with this being a little bit over 2,700 square feet, you notice it still has a roomy feel. You don't really have to worry about having a property that's 3,500 square feet, 4,000 square feet. This definitely will get the job done if you're on more of a budget or you want to stick within a particular price range. This may be the right one for you. Again, Newmark Homes, they have a ton of different floor plans, a ton of different build specs that can accommodate, you know, anybody that needs a 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom. They definitely have anything that you may want. So if you notice in here, the quartz countertops will extend in the bathrooms. You have the tile flooring, and you notice you have the nice shower heads. It definitely complements the tiles as well as the sink faucets. So you have the gold trim on the handles, gold trim on the lighting fixtures up there as well. And this will be your 4th and final bedroom. So again, all 3 bedrooms upstairs definitely have plenty of space, depending if your family is a bigger family or, you know, you're a growing family. This will definitely be a great floor plan to accommodate the fam. And as you can see right here, you have your dresser set, plus you have the small bed for a small child, and you see you have plenty of space. You have a nice size walk-in closet right here. It can be utilized as a nursery or something very similar. And then now what we'll do is we'll head downstairs to the backyard. But first, before we do that, I want you to see the size of the living room. I mean, with the chandelier hanging down, you can see you have plenty of space down there. And I always tell clients that anytime you buy a property with high ceilings, you'll never regret it, because when the family's downstairs or you have guests coming over, they just have plenty of space. That way you don't feel cramped inside of a house. And so we'll pan to the backyard. Again, this is a 50-foot lot. So It's perfect for someone that doesn't need too big of a yard to maintain, but you have plenty of space for, you know, the kids in the backyard, or just having a nice size for the dogs or anything like that. This will be the covered backyard patio. Plenty of space right here. It extends out the house. And as you can see, this is what a 50-foot lot would look like. And the brick will continue throughout the entirety of the house, so it gives it that nice look depending on what you like. And ladies and gentlemen, that was the full Heidelberg property tour.
All right, family, I hope you absolutely love this one. Again, if you did, reach out, leverage my relationship with this builder. I can get you great incentives and a great deal. Link in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.